Hey guys, we are making fried fish today. Come over to my kitchen. Let's go cooking. The season that we will be using on our fish today are garlic powder, body a complete season, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and some lemon pepper. We're going to make a paste, so I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil, just enough to make a nice paste. And we are going to mix this nicely until every season is properly mixed out. I am going to use some fish fillet today. These are some cod fish, but you can use any fish fillet or any fish of your likeness. So I am going to saturate this nice seasoned paste all over the fish. So when you finish, all your fish pieces must look nice like this. And we are going to allow it to marinate for half an hour or more. So to coat our fish, I'm using 1 cup flour with a teaspoon of complete season. I am giving it a nice mix. Then I'm going to go straight ahead and coat the fish pieces. You want to make sure coat every piece of your fish until it look nice, just like this. And we are going to add our fish pieces to a frying pan with some oil that is nicely hot. Around 3 to 4 minutes later, we are going to turn our fish. See that beautiful color and that crunchy looking? Wow, mouth-watering, delicious. After our fish is nicely fried on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, we are going to remove it from the pan. What better way to enjoy some fried fish than on a bed of nice vegetables? I really enjoy this fish recipe. Crunchy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside, and combined with the veggie, it went down so good. I didn't waste no time to enjoy this fried fish and my veggie. So guys, go ahead and try this recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. Drop a comment below and also let me know if you would enjoy a recipe like this, or what else would you enjoy your fried fish with. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so and hit that notification bell so you will receive my uploads. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and my faithful viewers. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and your family. Bye until next time.